Maybe some of your friends are currently learning to use Google Docs to create written documents. As you know, Google Docs is basically the same as Microsoft Word, but in terms of features, Google Docs is not as complete as Microsoft Word. Including working paper settings, however, we can make paper or work pages in Google Docs in portrait and landscape form in one document. The method is very easy. Friends, first determine which page you want to change to landscape view. Then select all the text on that page. Then, friends, go to the Format menu and select Page Orientation. Then a Page Orientation dialog box will appear. Then select the selected content. After that, select Landscape Orientation. Then click OK to save the settings. And automatically the selected page will change from portrait to landscape. So that's how to make a page in Google Documents portrait and landscape in one document. I hope this tutorial can be useful for all of you.